Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Ever found yourself in a situation where your LG Smart TV's browser and server fail to establish a proper connection and you get an SSL Handshake failure issue? This can be due to various reasons such as incorrect date and time, pending firmware updates, or even internet issues. So how do you fix this? Let's delve into the solutions. First up, check your device's date and time. Go to your smart TV settings and ensure the date and time are accurate. If they aren't, correct them, and then check if the error still exists. Next, let's talk about firmware updates. An outdated firmware version can often be the culprit behind the SSL error. To rectify this, go to your device settings and check for any pending updates. If any are available, install them right away and then check for the error. If the issue persists, it's time to restart your internet and your smart TV. Power off your TV and internet and unplug their power cords from the wall outlet. Wait for about 5 minutes before restarting both the internet and TV. Connect your TV to the internet again and see if the error still pops up. Still no luck? Try configuring the browser to the latest SSL protocol. Open your browser settings, go to the advanced option, then to the system option, and tap open proxy settings. Under the security section in the advanced tab, ensure the box of TLD 1.2 is checked. If the error still refuses to go away, it's time to call in the experts. Contact LG Smart TV support and report the error. They may need some information from you, so be ready to provide them with all the necessary details. To sum it up, the SSL Handshake failure issue on your LG Smart TV can be resolved by checking your device's date and time, updating your TV's firmware, restarting your internet and TV, configuring your browser to the latest SSL protocol, and if all else fails, contacting LG TV support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.